Now we're here. We're just walking again, but they tried to go slide in this way. So let's see if they can go up. Careful, Jill. Careful. Let's see. Let's see if it can go up. Oh, sige. They want to. They want to go up and then slide after. La, hold, Ate, hold. Up, 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 hold, Jill. Ang kaloy sa magcho. Up. Go up. Oh, da. Ate's reach the top na, Jill. Hold on, Ate. She wanna reach the top too. Careful, Jill. Ate, hold her, Ate. Go get her, Ate. Up. I'm gonna get it. Up. And the mountain bitaw. Sa imong pagkawangcho. No. Sorry. Okay. You guys come here. Come here, T. This way. Sit down. Okay, sit down, Ate. No, you can. No. Let's see. Hapit ko na umod akong wangso. Sige, go! Come on, you get hurt, Ate? Kasabaan sa iya diri ron. Yee! Okay, they're good. No, we're not.
That's only 2 times, Mommy.
Okay, go up. Up. Ah. Okay, go up. Okay, go up. Go up. Jill, go Ate up, Jill. Follow Ate. Kita na hugaw sa lubot sa wangso. Tarong ha. Up. Wada, ginig bukid. Kaya mangatkat pag bukid. Tanawa. Okay, naabot isla. One more na ha. That's it na na rin ha. Okay. Up. Go this way. This way. Hold your sister first. Hold your sister. Go this way. Okay. No, this way na. Go. Sit down. Where's your sister? Okay. Okay. Okay, that's enough. Let's go. Okay, let's go na. Come on, the owner's gonna get mad at us. Sukan tali. Run. Okay. Okay. How's your hat, Jill? Oh, Jill, your hat, Jill.
Thank you.
Okay, go.
That was fun.
That was fun? Okay, go. Go to Ate. Okay. Okay, bye. Bye sa Jill, be.